been a very quick 2 years, major 2 years for Tawazun Dynamics. We have announced the contract in the last air show. We are successfully delivering on that contract, which is really, it really happened fast in an industry where so many gaps are also going to be identified. So we've identified so much of industrial gaps, infrastructural gaps, that Tawazun Dynamic been able to fulfill as well to cater towards the successful delivery of the contract. Going from environmental labs to certain manufacturing capabilities that were well needed, that actually require capital investments. Large capital investments were undertook by Tawazun Dynamics to fulfill the industrial gap that we saw in the fulfillment of such an industry where it's very complex, low volumes are the outcome, but high valued parts as well as high mix of components. And that required a different level of investment, different level of expertise, a very expensive learning curve as well, especially that the system is airborne. So that by itself was a big constraint on us. But we managed to successfully deliver to the end user. And so far we've been having positive feedbacks from the client as well.